Hello everyone, YouTube Dangers, and today is Happy to the Walker Backhoe, and the caterpillars will reverse the dust. The berries are supposed to be that dust. That's speakers in this, That's the dust, Anyways, I show it to you.
Let's build something. It's your hard hat. Ready for work?
The horn. The music. I can't open that. This is fine. And the music again. Anyway, so that's and it's a giveaway.
Caterpillar power. Press forward, reverse, or lift lever now. Press forward, reverse, or lift lever now. Shutting down.
There you have it. It's supposed to be that list. Good. There is someone we thank you for watching. Bye.